Good morning. Another little bit of a day on DJ's home garden. So what we're going to try and do today is try and get some aquatics all in here just to make it look a little bit more special. We've got a few assortments of plants to go in all different areas along here as well, just to brighten it up and hopefully make a little bit more of a difference. But it'll be amazing what a few plants will do to make this look even more special. How you doing all? Another day done. And it does look a hell of a lot more different now. Just that little touch of colour really does bring it to life a hell of a lot more. Still need to get a few more, but to be honest, it's starting to look really smart. Once all these plants start to mature, it'll get better and better, and then once you start doing all the moss work, it'll look pretty damn cool, to be honest. So we're definitely winning. As I managed to get all the concrete haunch all the way along here, ready for the AstroTurf on Monday. To say the least, it's been an absolute pain trying to point all the way around every single one of these, try and get the level as best as I can all the way along. But hopefully on Monday we can start getting this. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.